for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! Again. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the rolling bridge. Left leads to Titmouse. The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! Thanks for helping out! Pick any toy you'd like. Let's go find that toy! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back into their pen. That's awesome! Well done! We all love your train set! Time to pick a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy! Where to now? Left leads to the haunted castle. Right leads to the town square station. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Left leads to the haunted castle. This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to place in your train set. This adventure box contains the tunnel is nearby. Left leads to the tunnel. Right leads to the boulder cliffs. Left leads to the boulder cliffs. Forward leads to... We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to Cannonball Curve. Knapford Station is just ahead. What type of wagon should we help pull? Great! Where to now? Right, Knapford Station is just ahead. Super! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. Well done! That was amazing! Good job! Wow! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! That's the way! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the lava. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Forward leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Great! Oh no! It looks like something is blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Good job! Forward leads to Knapford Station. Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we help pull? Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Good job! Where to now? Left, we're almost at the town square. Left leads to the haunted. We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Forward leads to the tunnel. The tunnel is nearby. Forward leads to the tunnel is nearby. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. Rusted bolts! The tunnel has collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? That's perfect! Well done! That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy! Let's go find that toy! left leads to... This adventure box contains... The Great Waterton Station is coming up. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station is coming up. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. Great! That was amazing! Thanks for helping out!